welcome to my channel Dhanashree classes. Today we are seeing the heart and mind moral value life skill class of 3rd standard. So today we are seeing the chapter number 10, unity, the feeling of oneness. So today I am telling the question answers. So first question. What do you mean by the unity? Unity is a feeling of oneness. Then question number 2. As children, what should you remember? United we stand, divided we fall. Then next. Why were the birds flying in the sky in search of food? Then what happened to the birds when they landed on the ground? They landed on the ground. Their claws got stuck in the net. Who cut the net? Mice cut the net. What do you learn from the story? United we stand, divided we fall. Then here is one game I will tell you. Means we want to fill in the blanks. Unity is a feeling of oneness. United we stand, divided we fall. A flock of birds was flying in the sky. The birds saw some grain on the ground. The mice cut the net. So friends, I tell you the answers of the chapter number 10, Unity, the feeling of oneness. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please press the bell icon. You will get the notification of our every video. Thanks for watching. Bye.